Okay, so obviously you can hear the wind. Haha. um, that's okay though. I honestly just wanted to do a little meditation. Um, I needed to connect to the earth, so I took off my shoes. Um, so yes, a meditation where I'm gonna watch the video because I'm gonna try to speak out loud what I'm actually hearing and seeing. Just for better recall, I think, because I've been getting really deep into the meditations now where it's becoming so dreamlike, where it's hard to recall everything. Like, they come back in like little memories and moments of me doing something or saying something, and it's like, oh, yeah. And I try to write it down, but I don't always, I don't always get the chance. Yeah. I'm also just taking a moment now to just kind of set some gratitude for the rest of the day. I've been trying to do this slowly but organically, not forceful. Oh, this is a pretty rock. Oh, that's really in there. Okay. And, bueno, yes. Oh, it's a bit chilly though, la verdad. I tried to wear as many layers as possible, but can't win them all. Okay. So, well, I'm just gonna get started. I just want to set some gratitude, some thanks for our Mother Gaia. Genuinely, without you, we would all not be here. For our Heavenly Father. And I'm not religious, let's say this. But I also just want to put some gratitude towards waking up, starting my day, having breakfast with the friends. The sun is out today, even though we're thankful for the rain as well. But more personally, I just really want to thank myself for loving yourself after not doing that for basically your entire life. For listening to yourself wholeheartedly, for trusting yourself, for believing in your delusions as well. There's magic in all of it. And just for being magic, for being consistent, for putting in the work, and letting all these past versions of you fall away. If you specifically can also think of different versions of yourself, what did you say to yourself in these moments? Or how would you normally say things to yourself? What about if you lived in other countries and the friends that you had, are they still your friends? Maybe why aren't they your friends anymore? How is the dynamic between you all changed, specifically within yourself? Alright, I'm just gonna get into it. I'm gonna do this hand symbol here, just because, one, I'm a little bit chilly, and two, I do like this one. Okay. I'll try to speak as loud as possible, but even rupturing the flow is difficult sometimes with the voice and the wind. Okay, vibrational change. Connect to the earth a little bit more. There's electricity, pink electricity. Pisces energy. It's kind of like two moons. And then moon. Direction, but I don't think that's it. Arrow, Sagittarius. Just try to concentrate a little bit more as the wind is also affecting my concentration. Excuse me. Pardon. I see a lady with a bob cut and like a wreath over her face, but it's more so the red dots, like the berries that attract my attention. Excuse me again, guys. And ladies and people in between and people. Okay. I'm kind of getting the inclination that I don't need to speak so much. stop here. I know it was a very short meditation for me. Just connecting back with the body. I'm a clean freak. Not a freak, but I like cleanliness, so I just took a shower and now my toes have dirt in them. Not bad, it's like in the toenails, that's what gets me. I don't care if it's on the skin, because it's like, boop, wipe it off. But when it's in the nail, it's like, ugh. Alright. I don't know, today's just feeling a little bit different, obviously. Gratitude is there, still super thankful. Communication is not as peaked, though, as it was yesterday. Yesterday's communication was nice. 1511. 1511. Bueno. There's a change and there's a confidence that I have within myself to still share whatever this is. Alright. Thanks for joining me, I guess. I don't know. Alright. Ciao.